day going so far? Mine is going fine. I'm getting ready to air fry some seasoned naked chicken wings. Some people say if you season them, they're not naked. But I still call them naked because I ain't putting no breading on them. So these are my naked wings. So they've been sitting on the counter for about an hour now. Washed, cut, and seasoned. I have them covered up. That's how they look. Of course, I use my yellow mustard as the base. And this is what I use to cover up my bowls. I'll show you. They're actually shower caps. They come like this. And I stretch them open. Let me do this. To fit over, I think up to a 10-inch bowl. So, very economical. And you can cover up your food, put it in the refrigerator, leave it out on the counter and let it get to room temperature like this. I'll put that in the link. I'll put the link in my description box. Anyway, I'm going to show y'all the seasonings I used before I re-angled this camera. Oh, I'm going to be preheating my Foodi extra large grill. Right here. Make sure, see what's in it. I had this pan in here. I cooked something. I don't want to use that. I'm going to get the air fryer basket thingamajig. What is it? Okay, this is the air fryer basket. Let's see what I'm doing. I'm going to put it in here and let it preheat. I'm plugging it in. Turn it on. Set it for air crisp. That's the same as air fry. 400 degrees. It says 20 minutes. I'll leave it for 20 minutes and turn it on. Start. So it's actually preheating right now. If you want to blow the lights, it might. Okay, these are the seasonings I use. Starting with the yellow mustard. Then I use this. I'm going to buy some more. Lawry's sweet basil, citrus, and garlic rub. There you go. I'll leave a link for this in my description box. Put some granulated onion, granulated garlic. So there's no salt in all these things. There's salt in this one. So although you see me using a lot of seasonings, I'm not using a lot of salt. Smoked paprika. New Mexican chili, just a little bit of this, and I sprinkled on some Tony C's Creole seasoning, and it's salt in this one. Okay. Oh, and some ground ginger to juice it up some, just a little bit. Okay. And I'm not going to put any oil on these wings. How many wings you want, Walter? How many pieces? I thought you were right in there. How you go that quick? Okay, I'll be back. Okay, it's telling me to add food. So it's already through preheating. Like I said, I'm not adding any oil. You said 3 or 4.
Yeah, what you having with
I don't know. I don't need nothing with it.
it? You supposed to have side.
Okay, you fix it. I can eat chicken and chicken. When I was cooking for the kids when they were growing up, I had a complete meal, but not now. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's enough chicken for this. I don't need to cook all this right now, because when I cook it, it's going to get eaten by somebody. And guess who that'd probably be? Me. Okay. And I used to wash this. I don't even bother with it no more. Okay. All that noise. So I'll be back when it's... I'll probably turn it over. I'm not sure. So I'll be back. I just want to point something out to you about this chicken. I bought this Thursday of last week, and here it is Thursday. And I didn't cook it right away. I left 2 packages in the refrigerator. And usually when I buy wings from Walmart or Aldi, if I leave them past 2 or 3 days, then I open the pack, it's spoiled. This is Purdue chicken from Jewel Foods, or wherever you can find Purdue chicken. It's been in there a whole week. This is fresh. So, I just knew I was going to puncture that plastic and smell all that foul poultry. It's fresh. I was pleasantly surprised because I'd already bought something else to prepare for today. I was going to make some nachos. So let me check this chicken. And it's good, y'all. Purdue chicken. So I don't know what they do to it or don't do to it that make it stay fresher longer in the refrigerator. And I was gone, so I wasn't here to throw it in the freezer. So I just want to tell y'all that. Oh, something I want y'all to watch out for. One of my friends on Facebook, I hate to talk about this in a food video, but everybody I know, they shop on Amazon. Well, if you shop from anywhere, if you got packages coming into your house, she said she got a package from Amazon. It was a roach in the corner of the box, inside the box. So you don't want to be bringing no critters in your house. So be on the lookout. Okay, I just want to add that. Okay, y'all. It's been cooking for 16 minutes. You want to check it? It hasn't been turned over. Let's see. No oil. They don't need to be turned over. Look at the flats. See, they brown on both sides. I'm gonna leave them just like this. Ain't nothing stuck to the pan. That is a little bit. Okay. I'll just let them finish cooking. And render some of this grease out of this skin. I didn't put any extra oil in here. I got some rice cooking. I put some better than bouillon in the rice and some black pepper. I'm using my Aroma rice cooker. I use this to cook everything, y'all. My rice cooker. This here. throw a can of kidney beans in here. So it'll be some beans and rice. Just put in 1 can. And I'm going to season it. I think I might toss these wings in some barbecue sauce. Don't know yet. I'll be back when the dinner is done. Chicken is done cooking. I stopped it a minute sooner, so it cooked for 19 minutes. Because it's brown enough. I'm going to baste them with some barbecue sauce. You can use the sauce of your choice, but this is good. They also have a flavor by this company. It has whiskey in it. It's really, really, really good. Whitlock, F. Whitlock and Sons. This here is Sweet Honey Barbecue. So I'm going to baste these wings. I need to make some corn muffins, but I ain't. Well, the rice is still cooking, so I got time. I'm being messy. I don't even miss eating fried chicken all the time anymore, since naked wings will be nice and crispy, flavorful and crispy like fried chicken. That's what people mostly like about fried chicken, is the crispy seasoned skin. And naked wings get just like that, so they're actually healthier for you than breaded. Don't get me wrong, I still love my breaded chicken. Yes. Top back on here. And I use this little jar gripper thing to open this jar. And it really worked well. Okay, now just rinse this off. It rinses off nicely. Okay, I'm going to turn this on to air crisp for 4 minutes. It says preheat. I don't want it to preheat. Open it, close it, and it said add food, so food in there. I'll be back. Okay, I basted the other side of the wings with the barbecue sauce. I got my beans and my rice. It's seasoned, y'all. I'm cooking some cornbread. Got some cornbread in here. So it'll be done in about 20 minutes. And then I'll plate it up. Oh, so I'm going to end this now, and then I'll show you the food when everything is done. So I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay, bon appetit. Bye. Okay, yeah, I'm taking my cornbread out the oven. This is the Cosori air fryer oven. And this cornbread cooked for, I forgot, 4 minutes, 20 seconds short of what it preset itself for. Which one is it? Okay. I couldn't find my skewer to test the cornbread, so I used a knife, a butter knife. It smells good. It's kind of thin, but that's okay. I can't find my pie slicer thingamajig, so I gotta use this icing spatula thingamajig. And this foil pan, it also fits in the Ninja Foodi extra large grill. Let's get pieces. Getting all my cornbread, yeah. Okay. So. This is my dinner. Air fried barbecue chicken wings, cornbread, and some red beans and rice, seasoned, really seasoned. Cornbread is done. The wings are crispy. Seasoned good. This is good eating, y'all. So I want to thank you again for watching. And you all stay blessed. Okay? And I mailed my voting ballot yesterday. Okay.